Kente is a cloth worn in Ghana by many people, and it's a cloth that is made from weaving. Kente was began when old ancient weavers learned how to weave from the spider, and the spider's versatility in weaving it helped them learn how to also weave the Kente cloth. Myself, I'm very, very versatile in many things, and I have been able to learn to adapt to many situations that I've come across and I've faced. Kente normally is worn by monarchs and other very important people in the part of the world I come from. And I believe that I am from royalty because I have been born by godly parents and I have a heavenly father who loves me. And so I always do things to show that I'm very proud of my lineage, where I come from, heavenly parents, and I have dignity in me. The different colors and the different patterns the Kente cloth show how the cloth is very has diverse meanings and diverse understanding. For example, yellow signifies wealth, green signifies good harvest, and blue signifies peace, with purple and pink signifying women empowerment. Same way, I also have developed several talents over the years. I have learned to be able to play the piano and other musical instruments. I have learned several other things that have helped me in my life. And many of these talents that I have developed has helped me to be able to help humanity and draw people nearer to my Father in heaven. Kente, as I said in Ghana, speaks of itself, and it's a cloth that speaks of itself. And so the cloth itself does the talking without the person saying anything. Same way, I believe that in section 11, verse 21 of the Doctrine and Covenants, that um, we are told by the Lord to seek not to declare His word, but first obtain it. And so our tongue will be loose. Same way, I feel that if I have this scripture because I seek to declare the Lord, seek to obtain His word first, and then my tongue is loose, and I'm able to declare it to other people. I believe that Kente has the potential of uniting people all around the world because of its great significance in the lives of people in West Africa. And I hope that many of us can learn to understand how Kente works. And this is an example of the Kente cloth, its woven pattern, and how beautiful it is. I hope that we can all learn from each other during this course. Thank you.